Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we will be seeing one of the most exciting feature for this platform where we are going to see the auction in real time where team owners would be bidding from their devices, be it a laptop, mobile, tablet, unit, anything, and you as admin would only be viewing and approving the sale, and all the players would also be doing the auction live real time. So basically, this is going to be a flow where admins are not going to bid for everyone, but the team owners are going to bid on their platform, basically on auction chase from their account, and admin is only going to approve the sale and do the administrative kind of works only. This is one of the most unique feature and most lovable feature, I would say, and something which excites me more than any other feature of this platform, because this way we are actually doing a auction digitally with all the things going out digitally and not in a manual manner, where we are trying to move from the manual to the digital world. So in this scenario, the team owners would basically log in to their auction chase ID, which has been sent to them at the time of team registration, and they will register use that to bid. We will also see in this video how basically the player view would look like. I mean the public view or the projector view, and all different views would be also seen so that we know how the things would work in real world. Let's go to the auction screen, and here we only have very minimum functionality as an admin because we are not responsible for bidding for anyone. So this is basically going to be a free flow, not rule based. Again, I am repeating, it is going to be a free flow auction where there are no rules in bidding setup for the tournament, and admin is not going to bid for anyone, but it is going to be the team owners who are going to bid from their devices. In this video we will only see how it would look on admin panel, and in another video we would cover how the team owners are going to actually bid. So for this video, we would be opening up two of the tabs. One is going to be the admin view, and one is going to be the auction room view, which is going to be a public view for public viewing experience. So this is how the public view would look like, and this is how the admin view would look like. Now let's assume that Robin Pujara is the player who has come into the auction, and we are waiting for the first bid from the team owner. We really don't know what is going to happen now. Let's assume that one of the team is interested in it, and they from their device basically bid for this player. So here we have our first bid. The Comic Tigers has bid by 50 lakh. And now we have the next bid, Comic Wolves, who are bidding by 60 lakh. And let's say Tigers comes back with 80 lakh bid, and we are seeing that getting reflected live real time without any human intervention from admin or anyone else. In this scenario, the admin work reduces drastically because everyone is responsible for doing their own task at their devices. Now let's assume that Comic Lions comes into the picture and wants to increase the bid by 10 lakh, that is 90 lakh. And let's say Tigers increases the bid by 20 lakh, and we see increase by Lions by more 10 lakh, and we are at 1.2 crore. And now Lions increase their bid, sorry, the Tigers increase their bid by 1.10 lakh, that is 1.3 crore. And then Wolves comes back into the picture and increase the bid by 50 lakh, 1.8 crore. Now we are at 1.9 crore by Lions, 2 crore by Wolves, 2.1 crore by Lions, and then we are at 2.2 crore by Tigers. Everything is going on live, and the same thing happens on the public viewing page as well. Let's just check it out and help you understand the thing. Now let's assume that Tigers have 2.2 crore, Lions comes back with 2.3, Tigers at 2.4, Lions 2.5, Tiger at 2.6. Now let's just assume that we should sell it the player to the Tigers because there are no one else interested in this bid, as we can see in the auction room completely, or any digital call which is going on, maybe a meet call or a Zoom call where the auction is taking place from their home or something, and we are at this point where no one is interested in buying player at this price other than the Tigers. So we are going to go and approve the sale, and once we approve the sale, the player is sold. Next player would come up, and the sold player is also visible to the public viewing page, and all things are done. And the next player is Shubham Sundar. So this is how the things would work in the flow, where we are giving out the access to the admins, I mean to the owners of the team and not to the admin. Similarly, in the rule based increment flow, things would be completely same. Only thing is the increments would always be increased by a consistent fixed amount. Let's check one more scenario where we are also going to bid. Now let's say again Tiger start the bid at 50 lakh, and Lion jump in directly at 1 crore. Now let's assume the Tiger is out of the bid and say Wolves joins at 1.1, Lion at 1.2, Wolves at 1.3, Lion at 1.4. Now let's assume again that there are no buyers available for this player at more cost than this. Everyone is going out from the auction, and we are ready to sell him, and sold. So this is how the entire auction would work, where admin is only responsible for selling the player and everything else has to be managed by the team owner from their laptop or a tablet or a mobile device, whatever they want. Ideally, they should use a laptop, but anything else also is completely okay. Now let's assume that Umesh has come up and we are not having any buyers for him, and then we can just sell him by, I mean we can just keep mark him unsold by just clicking on skip player, and all the information would also be reflected to the public view immediately. Bidding is done by team owners in a free. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, questions, or any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section and we would be happy to help you fix that or help you understand the things in a better way. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, family, and your sports group so that they can also benefited on how auction chase platform works and they can also host their auctions easily on this platform. Thank you.